स्मार्ट सिटी कन्सल्टंट आणि संबंधित अधिकारी आणि कंत्राटदाराबरोबर मीटिंग आफयात. बुधवारचे सीसीपीचे बसकेत 30 काउन्सिलरांनी पणजेच्या मेयराकडेन मागले. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या बाबत कामांक घेवन सीसीपीचे बसकेत बोवाळ जालो. विधानसभा अधिवेशन सोंपल्या उपरांत ही बसका आपयल्या. स्मार्ट सिटीच्या बाबत कामांक घेवन विधानसभा अधिवेशनातय बोवाळ जालो आनी सीसीपीचे बसकेतय. बुधवारा जाल्ले सीसीपीचे बसकेत कंत्राटदाराचे काम 8 कोटी घेवपी सल्लागार आणि संबंधित अधिकाऱ्यांची जबाबदारी या विशयाचेर सगळ्या नगरसेवकांनी बोवाळ घातलो. शेवटाक अधिवेशन सोंपतकच नगरसेवका बरोबर या सगळ्यांची बसका घेवपाचे मेयरान मान्य केले. आयकात उदय मडकयकाराक.
जे स्मार्ट सिटीचे काम चालू आसा आफ्टर स्पेंडींग जवळ 900 कोटी आणि तो कन्सल्टंट ताका 8 कोटी हेजो फी मेळ्ळा. तरी आसतना लोक आज कितके त्रास हे करतात. मी रोड पळयला रायट फ्रॉम माळा टू सोमतो गीता बेकरी, म्हणजे फ्रॉम टीबी हॉस्पिटल तांबडी माती टू टीबी हॉस्पिटल रोडाची कितें परिस्थिती जाल्या ती पळयल्या. पण जे फर्स्ट पावसाक फ्लडिंग जालें, म्हणजे ह्या कन्सल्टंटान काम कितें केलां. 8 करोड फी घेवन तुम्ही आज प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग करनासतना तुम्ही कितें तरी केला. ह्या खातीर आमी सकाळी सांगला मेयराक की स्पेशल मिटींग आपय, विथ त्या कन्सल्टंटाक आपय, स्मार्ट सिटी ऑफिसराक आपय, जे कोणे स्मार्ट सिटीच्या अंडर काम केला त्यांना सगळ्यांक तुम्ही आपया, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक आपया आणि आमकां स्पेशल मिटींग घेवपाक एग्री जाला. म्हणून आमी असेंब्ली सोंपल्या बरोबर मेयर एग्री जाला की स्पेशल मिटींग दवरता. रोखडोच आमकां डेट कळयतलो आणि त्या हेजेर आमी ते पणजेन आज घडटा. लोक आमकां अननेसेसरी आमकां ब्लेम करता कावन्सिलरांक, जाल्यार फॉल्ट सगळो आसा स्मार्ट सिटी तेंच्या ऑफिसरांचो. ते एसी कॅबिनान बसून कामां पळयता आणि ते कामाची सगळी वाट लावन गेल्ली आसा.
पणजी महानगरपालिकेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान आयचे बसकेत आयिल्ले विशयांची माहिती दिली. आयकात मेयराक.
So what we've done is, in light of that SOPO issue that we had in the past, what we've done is now the corporation, to solve the issue once and for all, we've outsourced the SOPO collection tender. So that issue was happening where early in the morning, where they were saying that receipts were not being issued. So as part of that, we've outsourced the SOPO, so all of that will be taken care of. So we do not want this to happen again in the future also. So we've permanently solved that problem. Other issues now, since our market has not been refurbished in quite a long time, more than like 10 years, the roof is leaking, there is some urgent repair work that's needed, and the market is the heart of any city also. So what we've done is we want to allocate money to basically refurbish the entire market area, because every Panchayat visits the market almost every single day. So that is another thing that we've taken up. Now in terms of all the properties also, our National Theatre, this rebuilding of our CCP building also, the file was pending because of an estate officer issue. So now that file will be cleared by the government soon. So we will start progressing with all of these issues also. So part of that is a regular thing. Panjim also now during the monsoons has done extremely well. I think this is the best it's done over all these years. There is no major flooding. All the areas that used to flood, Miramar Circle, Bal Bhavan, everything on TV Road has more or less been cleared. There was some waterlogging in some areas. Stella Marie was an issue that's cropped up again this year. So I want to show the residents that say within the next couple of years I want to get that issue solved also. That's the major thing that was
and regarding the parking issues, pay parking.
So pay parking also, now we have reissued the tender for pay parking. So that should open up in the next few days. So we'll resume with that also.
And regarding the smart city road, that work which is going on, that Kakulo Mall and what exactly initiatives have come?
So we've raised the issue with the contractors and with smart city also. So basically as of now they've put rubble on the roads, and they were supposed to not hot mix it, full grout the road. But now the problem is because of the rains, now they can't do that, so we're just waiting for that to happen.
स्मार्ट सिटीच्या प्रकल्पाचेर कन्सल्टंटान बरीच मोठी रक्कम घेतल्या, पूण काम सारखे जाले ना. देखून कामाचे पद्दतीचेर जाणा जावन घेवपाचो अधिकार नगरसेवकांकय आसा अशें म्हणत अधिवेशन सोंपल्या उपरांत बसका आफोवन तांकां जाप विचारतले हे महापौरानय मानून घेतले.
Once the assembly is over, we'll schedule a meeting. Because what our councillor said is correct also now. The consultants have been appointed at a heavy cost also to the exchequer. Now the CCP is bearing responsibility for this for now. There's no fault of our own basically. We are not in charge of any of the works. So now it's good. It's long awaited. I think the councillors should actually meet with the contractors and meet with the consultants so that they actually know what is going on and the difficulties that people are facing also.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिग्स, जवाहर बर्वे आणि संगीता ओली.